Kids these days are pain in the ass. Damn, they know a lot about. They know a lot more things than we did when we were kids, and they're smarter. They speak back. Freaking crazy. Talk about evolution. I just finished my breakfast. Now I gotta go to my room and just work on Dr. Pamela Moss's website, and then just work on some mock-ups as well. I skipped the college today because I had this work. Gotta finish this before 7 Feb, so that she can deliver her seminar and have her at least homepage. So that's what I'm working on right now. The Figma design will be complete today, and the only thing that I have to do is just build it in a WordPress. Now that's it for today. Peace out.